Baby, what's the problem? Why are you crying now?
Desmond, what's my offense? What have I done to you? What's my offense? What right did that woman have to put a price tag on you if not that you've given her the audience to see you finish? Can you find me like Desmond?
Baby, stop crying now, eh? Stop crying. Crying does not change anything. It doesn't solve the problem. Please, let's just go inside so we can talk about this thing. Nobody's putting us asunder.
No, but seriously, this is not about me. It's about you. From giving you contract to almost ₦1 million to what? To buying you clothes. And then you accepted them.
That one there. So. That's work. Why you dey waste time now? Now till evening come before you don't say you go finish one small work like this. This guy now for you. You don't finish, huh? Where do you run one day? Oh yeah, sharp. I don't want me that woman come see say you never finish. Hey, mama. Mama, welcome. Oh. Your work, Abby. I don't finish that now. You don't trust me again. Don't see, I be this. See, I'm now good as new. You don't say my work they always dey professional. I got small weight, but you know I don't know whether you go carry on like this. You like her? Yeah. Thank you, Mama. I'm not just dust time for you now. I don't dust time before, but I will still dust time again for you like this. You don't carry keke or something. Where you use carry on?
About your money. I don't carry cash.
Okay. You do transfer now? No, Allah. You do transfer.
It's okay. Call it for me.
Zenith Bank.
Okay.
0917 4568 21.
Desmond.
Desmond.
Okay. You don't go.
You don't go? Okay. I know. I trust you now. Right. So now my phone don't die, but I'll go check on later. Check on later.
Feature up your money now.
I don't say you go feature my money shop. Now. I know. No, well, I trust you, not the issue. Make I help you carry this thing. Yeah. Alpha, I come. Make I just help and put this in for inside motor.
Jollof Fudioko. Jollof rice with a touch of love. Buy your hot jollof rice. Jollof with a touch of love. Hot jollof, hot jollof. Buy your hot jollof. Jollof Fudioko. Jollof Fudioko. Ona gafe kwa jollof Fudioko. Buy your rice, hot jollof rice. Buy hot jollof rice. Jollof Fudioko.
Jollof rice. Ha! My special jollof rice. Come give me food my chop now. Fine girl. You know, anytime I wake up from sleep, now food I remember, and I just in my mind, nothing that they think again. I just this rice.
Okay, you won't buy rice. I no one buy rice.
Also?
I beg, it's too early. It's like early morning.
Why do you talk like this now? You know, say I like you. That's why I always like follow you buy markets now. Fine girl, like, bless you, no see you enter my eye.
Okay, come on, eye for my body.
Huh?
Come on, your eye for my body. I have told you, I am in a serious relationship. I get fiancé. No, they disturb me. In fact, you no one buy rice. Ma cook ma dey go. Ma dey go. You no one buy rice this morning, child. No get expense for this one.
Oh, just small toast. What don't toast you? Small toast here. You don't carry publication. Full everywhere.
Come, Oga. See, no try stop me again, no. For morning, if you no one buy rice, no try am.
So no, they find the way they find. You too fine.
Buy your hot jollof rice.
What am I waste time now?
Obi.
You're back already. Wait, let me help you with this thing. Come on, sit down. Baby. This one is not too hot. All these waka waka you do like this. I don't understand because I don't want anything to happen to your fresh fine skin, Eh?
If I don't work under the sun, how do I serve? How do I support you? And you know me, I'm not a lazy woman. I will support you in anything and everything as long as it's legal.
I know, Kim, I know. And that is why I love you.
I love you too.
Because you're one amazing, supportive, hardworking woman that I know. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, tell me, how was sales today?
Ha! No, thank God though. I've sold everything. What's in that cooler now is our lunch and dinner.
Hey.
Everything. Oh, Kwachiku. Thank God.
Kim, well done.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Ngwa, come, let's eat. Because I know you've not eaten.
Hey.
You will just be walking.
I haven't eaten anything since. In fact, I'm starving. You came at the right time. Yeah, heaven sent. You came at the right time because I was just wondering what I'll eat.
Our lunch. The other one is our dinner.
Okay. No problem. What about your own?
We'll eat together.
Oh, yeah, bring another spoon. Hey! When I never chop, why they look me? Hey, I'm sorry. Sorry. If they tell them, say, man, I go find beautiful woman like this. Now, they don't agree stay one place. I just there everywhere. You go there, go there, go there. See now.
Okay, I'm talking.
Yeah,
Did I give them to them?
I give them. Make it not be like, say I'm a bad person.
What are we going to eat in the night?
Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Yeah, take this out. Hey.
That was really fun. I enjoyed my day.
Alright, oh my goodness. Anyways, babe, what's up? What you did to Jay was nice. I mean, I felt pity for that guy.
Oh, my darling. No need to waste your pity on his sorry ass. I am done with him since he chose to roll with commoners.
It may not be as you say. Why don't you give him a listening ear? But no, you didn't. You know Jay loves you. You know that deep down. But yet, you just keep dumping guys like that, just the way you dump Ambrose.
No, you want to really get me upset. Don't you dare. Don't you ever mention Ambrose's name again. That stupid fool that prefers to sleep with old cargo. Do you know that Ambrose slept with ugly Honorable Titi? As ugly as that woman. He slept with her. That fool was just with me because my mother is a senator and I am wealthy. Ambrose was with me because of my money. It was gaining contracts and contacts. But you know what? I dumped a stupid gigolo ass the minute I found out.
Anyways, let's focus on Jay right now. Just look at the way you talked to him when he approached you in the club. You really bruised his ego as a man. You know that, Shantel.
Mm-hmm. Ego, you say? Jay doesn't have ego. He's just an adulterated wannabe. You know what? I am really tired. I had a stressful day and I need to rest. You can have Jay if you want. Oh, yes, was Ambrose. But get ready to treat old generation diseases and infection.
Excuse you? Mm-hmm. Why will I eat your leftovers?
Because you seem to be an advocate. Yes. It's just so unfortunate that I don't have a man that loves me. Trust me, if I see a well-mannered man that is hardworking and decent, I'll keep him. But it seems like it's impossible because you cannot find good men these days. Good night, my darling. I need to
Shantel,
go rest. I'm so
keep a
tired.
man.
Shantel, keep a man.
A man.
What I say? I'll get married.
I'm really exhausted. Oh, jeez.
Baby, are you ready so I can help you carry the cooler to the junction? Come first. Yeah, come. Utom. Achalugum. Baby, you know I cannot get enough of you. In fact, I just wish that I did not have to go to the workshop today, so we'll just have today to ourselves.
You want to kill me with love? Eh? But you know, if we continue like this, our businesses will suffer. Because we won't go to work.
Honestly, I can't wait to pay your bride price. So that we can just do whatever we like with license. But I'm tired of all these customers. I wish we could get better customers. Not all these ones that just 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira jobs. I mean, we need money for the bride price, for the marriage. We also need money to leave this place.
No, that's why I'm here.
Okay. You're my queen. And you deserve so much more. That's why it hurts me that I can't give you the world.
Otokum. Opim. Okay.
Stop washing me, Joe.
I'm not washing you. But Nam, I'm here to support you. In every way I can. As long as I am contented with what you have, you don't have to complain. We are perfect. Our future is bright. Our tomorrow is better. You know this, and I know it.
Okay. You see why I love you? Are you seeing it now? I love you so much.
I love you too. Now we have to go before our customers patronize other people.
Let's go.
Our customers will patronize other people.
Let me help you.
Help.
I have power now. I'm not your Superman. I'm your Superman for a reason.
Namo.
Lolom.
Namo.
Achalugum. Igebo. Hi, baby. I love you so much.
I love you too. Okay.
Please, where are you now? Yes, I don't know if this place is safe. Please hurry, okay? I sent you my location already. Thank you. Nice place.
Thank you.
I really want to say thank you for coming to my rescue. You're indeed a godsend. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's nothing.
By the way, you haven't told me your name.
Oh, my name is Desmond.
Oh,
Yes.
Desmond. A cute name for a cute guy.
Thank you.
Desmond. This is a way of saying thank you for coming to my aid. I really appreciate it.
Jesus.
Please accept this.
Madam, no, now. I can't take this now. There's no need. I didn't help you because of this. I just did something nice like any human being can do.
I'm not paying you. I'm just appreciating you and showing gratitude. Please.
Madam, there's no need for this, please. Please.
Please don't say no. Please accept it. Please.
Okay, if you insist.
I insist.
Thank you so much. God will bless you.
Thank you too.
God will bless you. God will bless you. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
You earned it. Okay. So you can use that for lunch. I should be on my way now. I've got things to do.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Okay, take care. Take care.
Take care of yourself.
God bless.
Bye. And thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, God. All this money for just helping someone fix tire. Oh my God. This is too much now. I must tell my Kaima this one, though. I must tell my Kaima this one, though. Wait, let me close this shop. I don't need to be here again. Come, Chuma!
Oh my gosh.
I can see you're tired. How did your land inspection go?
Land inspection. It was great, except for the fact that I had a flat tire. But luckily for me, one good Samaritan came and helped me change it.
Flat tire? I'm sure you'd have been frustrated. Why didn't you call your mechanic?
Frustrated is an understatement. I was very frustrated.
Oh.
I called the guy, but he wasn't close. But Desmond came through for me.
Desmond? This one has funny sheepish like this. Who is Desmond?
Okay, Desmond is this very cute, handsome, amazing guy. Babe, you needed to have seen him. He's so composed, very mindful, very demure, polite and fluent in his speech. Except for the fact that he's a mere carpenter. But not to worry, that's why I am Shantel.
I hope he is what you say he is, and not a demon.
Babe, don't worry. I won't say anything until you see him. Okay? Gina, I think I found myself a man.
Oh, please. You always find yourself a man. But yet you complain because you say they have problem. To you say they have problem.
Of course they have problem. Bunch of betrayers. But this one is different. I sense some innocence in him. Anyways, let me just focus on laying my foundation first. But for now, I need to go have my rest, okay? I'll be in my room. Gotcha. I'm so tired.
There you go. I need to see this particular Desmond.
Don't worry, you'll see him. Is that food in this house? Because I'm so hungry.
I actually ate the last one, but I remained some for you.
Oh, good girl.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You mean someone gave you this much money just for fixing her puncture tires?
I'm telling you. See all the money she gave me, eh? See the food I got you and then the dress I got you. Check it out, what do you think?
I like the color. Hey. Hey. I'm still trying to wrap my head around this. Someone can give you this much money in this economy?
I guess there are still good people in this world.
No matter how the bad eggs try to paint humanity.
You can say that again. Hi. No. Obi. I like this gift you bought. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Mana, now buying food when you know I'll bring food to the house, eh? It's not a waste of money.
Kim, come. I know that without a doubt, you're the best cook in the world. Eh? But I just wanted us to have something different. I wanted to do something romantic for you. Kim, you know I will do anything for you as long as I have the means.
No.
Don't be sad, eh? Please.
You are the sweetest man on earth. Thank you. And I pray you get this kind of favors more often.
Amen! Amen. Hi! Amen. Go on, wear this thing. Let me see how it looks on your After this remaining money, use it and restock with the things that we need in the house. Baby, you deserve to be enjoying like this. Madam, you're here again?
Yeah.
What a surprise to see you. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Everything is fine. I was just passing by, so I decided to say thank you once more for the other day.
Madam, you already showed me appreciation now. Which one won't pass like that again? You said thank you the other day. Let me bring chair for you so you can sit down.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let's come this side. Yes. Okay. Sit down. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, sorry, this chair is not strong, but just just manage it. Can you manage it?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
My pleasure. Actually got acres of land I acquired recently here, and I was looking forward to building a factory or purely using it for agriculture.
Wow.
And that was where I was coming from the other day. I had a flat tire.
Wow, that's so impressive. It's really nice to know that not only are there women who are intelligent, but there are women who are intelligent and beautiful. Like collabo. Nice.
Thank you.
Beauty with brains.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
You're so funny. I don't mean to pry into your personal life, but you sound learned. Are you schooled?
Yes, I'm actually a graduate of UNN. I studied geology.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow. Nice. Really nice. I mean, it's amazing to know.
I'm sure you must be wondering what somebody like me is doing here.
No, not at all. I understand life is not fair to everyone. And life has denied every one of us one thing.
Omo, in my case, it's more than one thing, you know.
Desmond, you're such a funny man. By the way, I was going for lunch. Will you join me? Don't worry, I'll bring you back, okay? You won't stay for too long.
Madam, I appreciate it, but I wish I could come. But my woman will be coming here anytime soon and she's going to bring food. I don't want her to meet my absence. If not, she'll be worried.
I didn't know that you were married.
Oh.
I'm sorry about that.
No, she's my fiancée. But I plan to get married to her soon, by God's grace.
Okay.
Yeah, but I really appreciate you coming and I appreciate the kind gesture. God bless you.
It's fine. Take care of yourself, okay? I should be on my way now.
Okay, no
See you
wahala.
some other time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Kim, you're back already? Wait, what happened to you now? Did you enter inside mud or something? What's this?
Honestly, it would have been better that I fell into the mud myself than for someone to splash me dirty water and just keep driving.
Now, why would they do something like that now?
Can you imagine?
Haba. Did you see the person? I hope he apologized.
It was a woman. And she didn't even have the decency to stop and apologize. She just kept on driving. Like she didn't notice me, like I was not there.
Why are people heartless like this now? I mean, human beings no longer have any atom of humanity in them. Just doing wickedness up and down. Okay, come. Come now. Come. Well, smile for me, I'm sorry. Huh? Don't give this person the satisfaction that you're sad or upset. Please. Smile for me now. Smile. Smile now.
Okay,
I don't like seeing you like this. Smile. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your
I'm
teeth.
stop.
Sorry. Don't worry, I'll wash it for you by myself, okay?
Thank you, now. At least for making me smile.
You know, I'm always here for you. Come.
Thank you.
No. Have you eaten?
I was so angry. I've not eaten. But
You know
there's
what?
food.
I'm going to buy you something special to eat. You want donut or buns? Which one?
I want donuts.
Donuts.
Yes.
I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming now. Hey. Let me hold it, eh? Come in. Tom, are you sure you don't want me to stay at home and look after you? I mean, I can't leave you like this all by yourself now.
Okay, no, fine. I'm just a little weak. I'll take the day and rest. I'll take the day off and rest.
You deserve all the rest you can get, huh? Because you've been stressed. And I must admit, myself, I follow for what's distress you. Sorry. Honestly, I wish I had enough money to just take care of you. I'll just be spoiling you. You won't even need to be doing any work at all. All this cooking.
Hi. I'm fine. Oh, yeah. I'm sure after resting today, I'll be a lot stronger. You know, you don't have to worry about anything. Oh?
Okay.
I think you should be going to work now. Oh, so you don't miss out on your customers.
Like the customers may then go rest. You are more important to me than any customer at all. Sorry.
I'm fine.
Okay. Let me be going, but I'll be back before you know it.
Okay.
And if you need anything, just tell me, okay?
I will. My head,
One for the road. I love you. Take care. I'll see you soon. Just call me if you need anything. Okay. You want to call me there?
Babe, are you sure we should still go to this guy's shop? I mean, you said he has a woman. Don't you think you'll be imposing yourself on him?
There is nothing to impose, baby girl. He's a poor man that needs a rich, classy lady like me, not a nobody.
Poor man, you say? Then why are you attracted to him? Because I don't see the drive.
Baby girl, people are suffering. And the drive is too cute to be poor. I mean, that guy is a graduate, he's educated, he's fluent in his speech. My money can bring out the cuteness in him. I will spoil him with my money and gifts. Okay? And you know what? Every man needs money to massage their ego.
You're right. Let me go get my handbag so we can go and see the so-called Desmond. I love her girl.
Yes, you can say that again. Who's that? Ooh.
Jay.
What? You. How dare you? What gave you the infantry to come into my house? Tell me, what gave you that right?
Shantel, baby. Please, I'm sorry for all that happened. I sincerely apologize. I really didn't mean to cheat on you. It was a mistake.
Can you hear yourself talk? I mean, can you listen to yourself, you moron? After introducing you to my mother, you cheated on me. You cheated on me with a commoner. I mean, take a good look at me. You cheated on me with a commoner. You! But I'm happy you did that. Because it only proves that you're no different from my exes. You're just a bastard. Now get yourself out of my house this minute.
Babe, that's exactly why I'm here to render an apology. Please don't push me away, please.
Oh, you're here to render an apology. If you weren't caught, would you be here begging? Tell me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kim.
Okay. Now you listen to me and listen real good. I don't want to ever see your ugly face in my house or my life again. Don't ever show your face. Do you get that? Now leave my house before I call my gateman to throw you out. Leave. Leave! Get lost. Leave. No. Leave. Leave. Yes, get out. Get out!
Shantel! That was so mean, you know. You didn't even spare the remaining ego.
Ego? There is nothing to spare. He's a moron and he deserves to be treated worse than that. Very stupid man. This only proves that he's no different from my exes. Okay? It's just, please can you just go change? Or do you want to change? Or you want to pick up something?
You're so annoying.
Just go get your stuff and let's leave. Don't spoil my mood. With this ugly face, idiot, moron, glutton, nonsense, bastard.
Okay, what are you doing here now? You should be at home resting.
Fine. I've rested enough. Besides, I feel better just keeping you calm. Obi, I got you food.
Okay, no now, you shouldn't have bothered. We agreed that you would be at home and rest and feel better. Eh? I told you that I'll come back in no time and I'll make something for you to eat.
Obi, you know I enjoy cooking. It's no stress. It's not a bother. I'm cooking for you.
Okay, I'm not happy about this now. You're not feeling well.
I'm fine. I feel better just being here.
Are you
Keeping you
sure?
company. Yes.
Okay, I don't like this thing. Oh. You're supposed to just rest now. Your body to the hot every time. Rest. Rest. Rest.
Obi, before let's eat. Oh. Do you want to eat now?
Since you're already here now, what are you going to do?
Sorry, I did not bring something for you people today.
brought water from the fridge.
Can you know the year word? I'm not happy about this.
No. Oh yeah, let's keep this. Keep it right side.
Fine, madam. What are you doing here? I didn't think I'll see you again so soon.
Hey, handsome. How you doing?
I'm fine. We thank God.
Okay, I've got a job for you.
A job?
Yes.
What kind of job?
I'll need you to make a small cushion for me.
Okay, that one will be wahala now. Not be wahala, but what's the size? What style do you want? What length?
A moderate size is okay. But I will need it this weekend. Can you do that?
Madam, of course I can do it, but I will need some down payment so I can buy materials for doing the
It's
job.
fine, it's fine. Just call your account number.
Okay, 0137
0137
5478
5478
21. Yes.
What bank is this?
Lion Bank.
Oh, Lion Bank. I just sent you 500k.
500? Hey, fine, madam. That's too much now for down payments. I'd never even tell you the price of the cushion where they make.
No, it's not too much, okay?
Aye.
You're making a classy stuff for me and I need it to be perfect.
Aye.
Just get it done and I'll keep patronizing you. It's better I patronize you than give it to those big furniture makers in the city that don't make anything nice, but they have big names.
Fine, madam. God bless you. Thank you so much for patronizing an ordinary carpenter like me. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. God will bless you. He will replenish your pocket 1,000-fold.
Amen. You know what? I'll give you my number. Do you have a pen?
Okay, I could just write down for my...
Okay, I'll give you my number. Okay, 081
081
69
69
49
49
38
38
45.
45. Okay.
Yeah, so call me when you're done. I'll send you my home address so you can deliver it.
Okay, no wala, madam.
And if I like it, everyone I know is going to patronize you.
Hey, madam, I'm looking forward. Thank you so much. You're too nice. Thank you so much. God will bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, I should be on my way now.
Okay, no problem. Drive safe. Oh.
Yeah.
Good. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
naira to make chairs for her. Hey! Chukwu Okike. Now, God has started answering our prayers.
I'm telling you.
Eh?
She even said that I should do it by this weekend, and if I do it to her taste, she'll start giving me more people to patronize me.
Hey!
That's what she said.
Chukwu Okike.
Hey.
Chukwu Abiyama. How?
Now,
you know, she means what she said. You pay my bride price without struggle.
You know, I can't wait to pay your bride price. I can't wait to spoil you with all the good things of life when we stop eating from hand to mouth.
Aww.
You know why? Because you deserve the best. Aww. I keep telling you this thing every time. Just small time, one below gay. Everything will change.
Amen.
You're my good luck charm.
Aww.
I love you.
I love you too. I love you so much, Mokom. I love you. I love you so much. My family, I think we should put this customer in prayer.
Hey, let's do that. Let's
so that we will not hear story.
Let's do that. Let's.
Oh, wait 1 minute. Can you just stop here? Ha! Do you have one lebube?
Shantel doesn't want to see you or have anything to do with you. And I told you that already.
I feel you should just concentrate on yourself and find someone else to love. Than for you to allow her bruise your ego. I mean, just let her go.
Gina, you won't understand. It's not easy for me to get her off my mind. I mean, I love Shantel so much. Like, with everything in me, I love Shantel. And you know it. I admit that I cheated. But it wasn't that serious. I was just lost in the moment.
I understand, Jay. But there's nothing I can do. I mean, Shantel has made up her mind already. Her heart belongs to someone else right now.
So that's it then. She couldn't even give me a second chance.
Sorry, Jay. Anyways, I have somewhere I need to be. So, I'm leaving now. Just take care of yourself.
It's fine.
Bye.
Thanks for coming around, okay?
It's fine.
You take care of yourself.
Sure.
Yes, madam. I hope you like it. I hope it's exactly what you wanted.
You know, you're one skilled fellow. I love it. It's beautiful. Please, let's take it inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Be careful. Thank you so much. I guess this is the cab guy that helped you deliver the piece, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why not pay him so we can have a talk, you and I?
Madam, I actually didn't leave anybody at the shop. I was hoping I'll just come and drop it and rush back.
It's fine. You go back soon. Just let's talk about work, your work, my work. You know, and don't forget I'm your customer. A prized one at that.
Yes, of course you are. Okay, if you insist, maybe I'll just some minutes. Boss, okay, thank you very much. Thank you. We'll go see you later now. Thank you. All right.
Thank you. Please come have a seat. Yeah, you can just have a seat. So tell me, what would you like to take? Okay, I have juice, I have wine, but please don't tell me water, else I'm going to get you alcohol instead.
Okay, no, I'll do with juice. Thank you.
Fair enough.
Madam, this your house is fine though. It's really lovely.
Yes, it's lovely. And please, enough of these formalities, okay? No ma'am, no madam, I'm Shantel.
Okay, if you say so. Even though I don't really feel comfortable with it, but maybe I'll try and get used to it, Madam Shantel.
You're so funny. Excuse me, let me get you juice. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chantel.
Thank you. Sorry.
You know, you're really a funny guy, and I like you. And now that you're my furniture maker, we're going to be seeing all the time. Desmond, I can establish you. I'm going to rebrand you and make your workshop look presentable. And even the way you dress, you're a carpenter, doesn't mean that you should look tattered. Okay, if you want to attract customers like myself, and if you want my friends and family to patronize you, you know your business is all about packaging.
Oh, wow. I didn't know there are certain things that one must do to attract customers like you, Madam Shantel.
You don't need to worry your pretty head over it, Ansem. Now you have me to take your carpentry business to the next level.
Madam, I'm sorry. I have to go now. I think I have overstayed.
Hold on! Okay, you want to leave, it's fine. Just give me a minute, okay? I want to quickly ease myself. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute.
Hey! Watch it. Can't you see or something? Why are you rushing out from the house like that?
Sorry, madam. It wasn't intentional.
You look familiar. Do I know you?
No, I don't think so. I'm just a carpenter. I just came to deliver furniture. Sorry.
That's one. Shantel. Babes, what's up? I just saw Desmond leaving the house. What did he come for?
Well, he came to deliver the piece he made for me. Any problem?
Shantel. You and I know that guy has a woman. And we saw them walking by the road. You know you can get any guy, right? Why don't you just leave this poor man to be with his poor girlfriend? Let him be.
Gina, you know you're in my house, right? Watch your tongue. And mind the way you talk to me. Anything I want, I get. Anything I set my mind to do, I do it. That's why they call me Shantel.
Shantel. This is serious, oh. This is very serious.
Baby,
Hey, Kim.
are you alright?
Yes, I'm alright. I'm alright. I just couldn't sleep, so I just came here to relax a little.
Oh, okay. Let's get back to bed. I'll hold you.
You know I like it when you hold me.
Then I may need to sleep on my cage.
Fine, madam. Good to see you again now.
Yeah.
Have fun now.
So, I got you this. Open it.
Fine, madam. You didn't tell me that you even have boutique and you're selling clothes.
No. Remember, I told you that if you want to attract customers of my caliber, you need to look the path. So, we're preparing you for that.
Fine, madam. Hey, God. These clothes are nice. So, they look expensive. I can't even afford them.
You don't need to afford them. I got them for you. You know, if you really want to attract customers that is not going to pay you one naira, I mean, high-price customers, then you need to look the parts. You need to upgrade. Why not try them on? They're going to look great on you.
Hey, madam, these clothes are nice.
I know.
Hey, they are nice. You know, it reminds me of this thing they used to say. You're dressed the way you're dressed. I never even wear and finish. I already feel like a rich carpenter, just like you always say.
Sure, you can. I'm always here. Desmond, you appeal to me. I can't hide it anymore.
Madam, I have a woman and she'll be here any moment from now. Please.
It's fine. But think about it. If you want to remain a poor, hungry carpenter, begging for 1 naira job, or you want to be a rich carpenter that will roll with the high and mighty. Think about it. It's for your future. Okay? I'll see you soon.
Thank you, madam. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
No! Obi, no! Please, return that gift. I don't accept it. Because you and I know that that gift is not an innocent gesture.
Nkem, I understand you perfectly. But please, let us look at this thing from another dimension. I don't want anything with the woman. She just wants to help me upgrade my crafts. Don't you see it? This is an opportunity for me to stand better as a man and take care of you better as my woman.
Obim, this is how it starts. Gift after gift after gift. Next, it generates into something else. Obim.
Nkem Biakene. Come now, come. Go and look at me now. Look at me. I promise you, I know where to draw the line. I know where to draw the line. I will never cross it because you're the only woman that I love. I can't be thinking of anyone else. I just want what is best for us. I want us to leave this place to a better house. I hate seeing you walk every morning under the sun selling food. No! I keep telling you that you deserve better. Just trust me, please.
Obim, I trust you. I do trust you. Is that one I don't trust? Me, I don't want anything coming in between us.
Shh. Nothing is coming between us. Nothing. You're the only woman for me. You're my everything. You're my queen. And I will love you endlessly. Now cheer up now. Cheer up. Hey. You can't stop now. Why are you doing
Fine.
this?
I trust you.
I
Trust you.
You don't have to stress yourself about all these things. I love you. You're the only woman in my life. Nobody else.
Babe, you're not wearing those clothes.
Hey. Hey, God. Okay, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to throw it away? Do you want me to burn it?
Give it to somebody. You're not wearing those clothes.
Oh, Utom, stop now. Stop.
Obim, you're not wearing those clothes.
Okay, stop now. Hi.
Are you serious? Oh, stop flattering me. Stop flattering me with your sweet words. You know, I believe in second chances. And one mistake shouldn't shape the entire future, you know.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, that's my boyfriend.
Oh yeah? Boyfriend?
Yep.
But you never told me about any boyfriend of recent.
Well, we just reconnected, so we decided to take things slowly. But not to worry, I'll introduce you to him soon. Trust me.
Okay.
It seems you are going out.
Yeah, I'm going to pay someone a visit. I'll see you when I come back. Enjoy with your boyfriend.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Hello? Are you there? Well, I'm so sorry you have to hear that. Same lounge? Okay, but I am very sorry that you heard that from me. Okay then. Bye. I'm so sorry for calling you my boyfriend earlier on. I mean, coupled with the fact that Shantel appeared in front of me. I mean, I didn't want to be tongue-tied.
It's fine. I don't feel bad at all. As a matter of fact, I feel elated, you know. I wish you could do me the favor or the honor of being my woman for real.
What?
Yes, you heard me right.
I don't get you.
You see, Gina, I've been busy crying over a spilled milk. Never knew that nature had a new thing to compensate me.
Wait, Jay, so sorry. So sorry for cutting your joy short. I mean, like, the fact that you and Shantel broke up was because you cheated. And now you are asking me to... Don't you remember?
Look, Gina, I'm guilty as charged. And I don't think there is anything I can do to change that. I know I cheated on Shantel with a commoner, as she called her. But Shantel has never treated me like a thing in our relationship. He has always treated me like a tool. She thinks I'm not man enough because her mother is a senator. Because she usually helps me with contracts. I couldn't bear the insubordination anymore. So as I was in our usual club, I decided to get myself drunk. And I took your lady home. That was how Shantel came and saw us.
I'm so sorry. I didn't even know that was what happened.
It's fine. Shantel never gave me the chance to explain myself. But it's okay if you don't want us to be together. I understand. I mean, Shantel is your friend. And I know you don't want to betray her.
Betray, you say? I mean, Shantel made it clear that she doesn't want to have anything to do with you. In her words, you are her trash. But now you are my treasure.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much.
It's fine.
And I promise you will never regret this. I'll never hurt you, okay? I drink it up.
Buy a sweet hot rice. Hot jollof with a touch of love. Hot jollof and parakasie. Buy a jollof rice. Jollof with the
Hey! Nice woman.
Hey! Good morning, Mom. Yeah, I like rice. How much should I put?
And what makes you think that I would want to eat your sad, stinking, rotten rice?
Do
Do I know you? Why are you insulting me and my rice? What happened?
You may not know me, but I know you. And I know that girls like you have a price. Now tell me, how much will you take to leave Desmond alone? Or better still, I give you a good amount of money to, open a restaurant and stop hawking under the sun.
Excuse you? Are you okay? Who the hell do you think you are? You're stopping me on the road to bargain my own fiancé. In Apwala.
I can see you're a very rude girl. But you know what? I usually do not give people choice. But I gave you one. But it seems you are very, very stubborn. Now take your stinking, low-life, poverty self out of my sight. Get lost.
We'll see. You hear from me. Haha! You hear from me. Okoye. No, what? You hear from me.
Sir, please, tomorrow I'll bring the money for you. Hope the work will be ready.
Madam, no worry. Tomorrow you'll be ready. We'll be ready tomorrow. Just come around, let's say 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
It will be ready.
It will be ready. Okay. What is it now? Why are you looking like this? What happened?
That woman that has been lavishing you with gifts, she finally made her intentions known to me.
Okay, what are you talking about? What did she say? What did she do?
Hey, I was on my own, selling my rice. Someone stopped me, I don't know who she was from anywhere. Thinking she's a customer. Madam, how much rice do you want to buy? Only for this woman to shamelessly open her mouth and ask me how much I want for me to leave you for her.
What? She said that to you? She said that to you? Okay, don't worry. Sorry, don't vex. Just come and sit down here, please. I'm coming now. Just tell Chuma to lock up and go home. I'll meet you at home, okay? I'm coming.
I said it when I started buying new clothes. I said it.
Where's Shantel?
Shantel? She's not home. You can sit and wait for her.
I'm not here to sit. I came to see Shantel. But since she's not home, I'll take my leave.
Hey, handsome. You really came looking for me?
Hold it there. What was that nonsense you told my woman? Huh? And what do you even mean by paying her off to leave me? Are you stupid? Is there something wrong with you? I mean, you're on Chris?
Well, I did that because I'm crazily in love with you. Desmond, she has no future with you. Okay, her by your side, you're headed for doom. You need someone to bring out the cuteness in you. And you need someone to take care of you. You need me. And someone to help you in your craft. So you can connect with men of timber and caliber. Only I can help you do that.
Listen to me, Shantel. I'm going to tell you this now. Stay away from me and my woman. Don't even come to my shop again. Just stay away from us. You hear me? Stay away!
Hold on, baby boy. Here. I told my mom that she needed to change all our old furnitures in our office. I convinced her that I know someone that is good at that. That you're gifted in carpentry. And she obliged. So, she wrote this check of 5 million naira for you, so you can change all our old furnitures. Desmond, I told you I will introduce you to my world for your business. So you see why you need to leave her? That low life, so she doesn't bring you down with hers.
Shantel, in as much as I need this money to establish myself and get myself out of poverty, I'm sorry I cannot accept this. Stay away from my woman.
What?
And stay away from me. Money's not everything.
Desmond!
do that for? And why do you think you can buy men with money? Why do you see men as tools?
Gina, shut up. Shut your trap, okay? Gina, are you even my friend? If you value this friendship, you should be looking for ways to get Desmond to me at all costs. Every man has a price.
Oh, please.
Just that I haven't found his yet.
That's disgusting. Excuse me.
What? Gina, come back here. How dare you talk to me like that? You're in my house, okay? Don't forget that. If you get me angry, I'm going to throw you out, idiot. Nonsense. What is wrong with you? Talking to me rudely in my house? Little brat. Everybody's looking at me upset.
What's the problem? Why are you crying now?
Desmond, what's my offense? What have I done to you? What's my offense? What right did that woman have to put a price tag on you if not that you've given her the audience to see you finish? Can you feel me like Desmond?
Baby, stop crying now, eh? Stop crying. Crying does not change anything. It doesn't solve the problem. Please, let's just go inside so we can talk about this thing. Nobody's putting us asunder.
No, but seriously, this is not about me. It's about you. From giving you contract to almost ₦1 million to what? To buy you clothes. And then you accepted them. Now, to stopping me on the road and demanding I put a price to you. Desmond, are you sure you're not part of this? Are you sure? No, they want to get rid of me and follow a rich lady.
Stop saying that. You know I'm not that desperate. Eh? I'm not that gullible. For crying out loud, I just rejected the contract of ₦5 million because of the love that I have for you. So why are you saying this? Please stop crying.
Why does she want to take the only joy I have?
Crying, she's not taking me away. Nobody is taking me away. Eh? Stop crying. Stop crying. I love you to the moon and back and nothing is changing.
Desmond!
Baby.
Desmond, don't be a part of this thing.
I'm not a part of this. I promise you. You know I love you.
Don't just be a part of this thing. Don't be this thing.
What are you doing here? I thought I told you I want nothing to do with you anymore.
I'm so sorry, my darling. But you know what? You can't avoid me. We're like the flower and the butterfly. But in this case, I am your butterfly.
Listen, Shantel, I've already told you I have a woman with whom I am in love. And nothing on this earth will make me cheat on her or leave her. You understand that, huh?
Really?
Yes, really.
Are you sure about that?
What do you mean? You know what, just go and don't come back here. Just go, don't come back. Yes, go.
Okay, it's fine. But don't come crying to me when things start to turn out.
Abeg vamoose. Go!
I really don't know what's wrong with Shantel. Like, she's behaving crazy. She and her carpenter lover, Desmond. That girl has gone nuts.
That's Shantel for you. Like for real, that's Shantel for you. And I'm actually happy I escaped her madness. That girl is crazy. I'm happy I escaped her madness and I find solace in you.
I'm glad to.
Babe, I think it's time you leave her house for her so she don't corrupt you. And besides, I can't continue to hide our relationship.
Babe, Shantel is my friend. She's like a sister to me. I mean, even if she's done so much, I can't just abandon her like that. I just want to help her see the light.
I know you're trying to help her. I know you have a good heart. Okay? It's just that she's contagious. And I don't want her to contaminate you, my babe.
Jay, my love, don't force me to sympathize with Shantel. She's my best friend. I mean, I just want to help her to go through all this and also tell her about our relationship. Then I promise I will move out from the house.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, babe. Thank you very much.
And trust me, I'll be right beside you all the way.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. It's okay, just drink up, okay?
Buy your hot jollof rice. Jollof rice with a touch of love. Tasty, spicy jollof rice. Hot jollof rice. Buy your hot jollof rice. Jollof udoko. Jollof with a touch of love. Tasty jollof. Spicy jollof. Buy your hot jollof rice.
When you're ready, I'll come to the food.
A place is 1,000 these days.
Boy.
Auntie Kaima.
This one way they run like say.
Auntie Kaima, they took her.
What are you talking about? Who took her?
Some admin came down from the car and took her. Their face were covered.
Armed men?
Yes.
Where?
That's it.
Take me there now! Jesus!
Who is there? Somebody help! Help! Help!
Hey! What up? Shout here. If I hear him, I'm gonna give an look at that. Get quiet!
Please don't kill me. I was just trying to tell you you kidnapped the wrong person. Me, I don't have money. Yeah, I'm just a rice seller, ordinary rice.
Shut it! If I hear pimp from you again, I'll overboard you straight up. So be with me, you will.
I don't have money. Even my fiancé, the only person in my life, is a poor carpenter. And his mother is even dying.
Shut it! Listen to me. I'll advise you to cooperate. Okay. If I hear pin from you, you will never man. If you don't cooperate, I'll have no option. I'll have to give an hour here. I'll send you overboard. Film. It's okay. What are you doing here? I thought I told you to stay away from me. How do you even know where I live?
I am Shantel, and everything I want, I get at my beck and call. Anyways, I went to your workshop to look for you and you weren't there. So I asked the people around and they gave me your home address after giving them some cool cash.
Oh, I see. So that's how you go around bribing people and buying people, huh? How could I forget? What do you want?
What do I want? I see you've been crying. Your eyes are swollen. Anyways, I have good news for you. Your mom's pacemaker surgery has been paid for.
What? How do you know about that? Who told you? Hello, sister? What? Oh my God, thank you, God. Thank God. You know what? Please, let me call you back. Let me call you back. Okay. Who are you, Shantel? How do you know about my mother needing surgery? Because I don't remember telling you any...
I told you that I am Shantel. And every information I want, I get. Now you owe me a lot because I saved your mother's life.
Listen, I told you time and time again that I want nothing to do with you. Why is it so hard for you to understand? God, I wish my Kaima was here to hear this good news. She's been missing for days now. She was kidnapped and I've searched everywhere. All to no avail. I've even told the police, but they are not doing anything because... Maybe because I don't have money.
Money. You know, everything happens for a reason. If you want to see your woman again, you know what to do. Shantel got everything covered. Come here. Okay. You know what to do, right? Like I said, I am Shantel, and I got everything covered. Cha-cha!
You! I should have known you're the one behind this, you witch! What do you want with me?
So she still has mouth to insult me. It means you haven't dealt with her enough.
What do you want from me? I have nothing of value to you.
Of course you do, my darling. And that is Desmond. You know, sometimes I wonder why an ordinary rice seller will have such a man. It should be mine and not yours. And to think of it, I even offered you money to leave him alone, but you refused. Now look at you, in my den.
I see. So you're punishing me because of Desmond. You think your money can buy the kind of love we have, the kind of bond we share? Let me tell you something. Even if I die in your arms, Desmond would rather marry my corpse than marry you.
How dare you! How dare you talk to me like that? Bastard! How dare you talk to me like that? You stupid girl. Don't you know you're talking to Shantel? You know what? Listen up. I am Shantel, and I get everything and anything I want. Okay? Desmond will come to me where it truly belongs. And you, I will keep you here for eternity. And don't even bother crying and screaming because no one will hear you. Okay? Do you get that? Silly girl. You know what? I want you to give her the beating of her life. Beat her very well, and I don't care if she lives or die.
Wait. I'm sorry. Don't do this, okay?
It's too late.
I'll do what you want. I'm sorry. No, wait. I'm sorry. Okay, wait. I'll do what you want.
Shut up! If you talk nonsense now, I will waste blood for your eye, the grace.
Listen. I would advise you to keep calm.
Okay.
Keep short.
Yes.
Oh, but I'm going to be
Sorry.
Get word.
Sorry.
God. Where do I start looking for Kaima? Where? Even the police is not helping matters. They're not willing to find her because I don't have money. God, please, please, please let nothing happen to my woman. Please, please, God. I beg. Should I give in to what Shantel is asking for? No. No! No. No, I can't. I can't. God, please, please. Please save my woman, please.
Desmond, you scared me. What happened? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry for scaring you. I was waiting for you to come. Please, Gina, just tell me. Where is Kaima, please?
Desmond, I do not know. I mean, I overheard you and Shantel talking the other night.
Yes, she kidnapped my woman and she has refused to tell me where she is. Even the police is not helping. I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
Oh, Desmond, I'm so sorry. I understand your plight, okay? I mean, if you said it was Shantel that kidnapped your woman, she hasn't told me yet, but I'll try to find out for you, okay? I'm so sorry.
What do I do now? God, please, I'm so sorry, okay?
So sorry, okay? Oh, God. Should I see you? So sorry, okay? I'll help you out.
You just left. What are you doing here? Forgot something?
Where is she, Shantel?
Where is who? What are you talking about?
Where is Desmond's girlfriend?
I don't know anything about that.
Oh, please don't give me that fake ignorance. I know you better.
Okay. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. And even if I know, you think I'm going to tell you? Oh, you think I don't know that you've been sleeping with Jay? Yes, I do. And that's why I've not been confiding in you. Okay?
Anyways, it's not my fault. I mean, I wanted telling you the other day, but Desmond came in. I'm very glad you know it now. I mean, I'm tired of hiding it anyways.
Gina, you're a snake. You are dating my ex-boyfriend. You should be very happy and lucky that I'm done with him. Else, I would have dealt with you. And you won't even be here opening your mouth to spit trash.
Oh, please, Shantel. I was never scared of you, and I will never be. I just cherish our friendship, and that's all. Besides, I'm leaving your house, and that's it today.
First off, we're not even mates to be friends. But I let you in. I don't care about you, Gina. Now go inside, pack all your things, and leave my house. Get lost, and don't you dare show your ugly face in my house anymore.
I won't! I won't!
Look at her. Get your stuff. I'm waiting. Need to leave so I can lock my door.
I'm glad you finally get rid of that girl, Shantel.
I know, right? I mean, I feel so good. Like the breath of fresh air over me.
I know.
Jesus.
You don't have to blame yourself for how your friend turned out, okay? She's an adult and she can take responsibility of her actions.
I know, right?
So now we don't have to allow her to rule our mind. Okay?
Okay.
So let's concentrate on us.
Fine, but before then, come help me get my stuffs out.
Oh, that's true. I'm really happy.
Yay.
Come on, take it easy.
Okay. Baby. All right.
Madam, you can see she can no longer sustain any more torture. She's running fever. Moreover, her whole body is heating up. Madam, she will buy for her handle. This girl will feel. Check out now.
I don't care if she lives or dies, okay? But I'm sorry I can't release her yet. If I try it, she will expose me to the authorities. Just keep her here till I figure out what to do with her.
Now listen, I don't care if you live or die. Die! Okay? I don't care! Don't care about you. It's best if you die. Because you won't come ruining things for me or getting back to Desmond. Keep her here. For now. Stupid, silly, dirty, animalistic moron. Please, I'll be on my way now, okay? Yeah. Bye. Rubbish. Desmond. I knew you would come to your senses and change your mind. Come in.
Shantel, I'm here for one reason alone. My woman. Do with me as you wish, but please, just let go of Kaima. She's a poor, innocent woman.
Hey, don't push it. Desmond, I don't know what you saw in that woman. Whereas a beautiful, classy, rich woman like me is willing to do anything and everything for you just to make you happy. Anyways, let me get us something to drink first, okay?
There's no need for that.
What?
No. This girl's running fever. If I leave this girl here one more day, this girl will die. Oh my God. I'm just an ordinary kidnapper. I'm not a murderer for that. This girl will just stay here and die. Anyway, I know what to do. Hello, madam. Madam. Now that this girl there, so if you leave this girl here one more day, madam, I'm afraid this girl go buy you, this girl go overboard. You go overboard.
Madam, you said... This woman is heartless. Heartless! Me, I think say this woman won't show this girl, won't take this girl a lesson. I know say this woman won't buy this girl. He won't throw this girl go overboard. He won't free this girl. My conscience no agree me let this girl die. No. This she don't go die. This girl no fit die. I know what to do. Mama!
Ogini, what is... Hey! Ogini, who is this? Hey! Joanna!
Mama.
Who is she?
There's no time to explain. Please, can you treat her for me, Mama, please? I don't want her to die.
I say, who is she now?
I met her on the roadside and I said to rescue her.
Did you do this to her?
There's no time to explain all these things, Mama. I met her on the roadside and said to rescue her. Can you treat her for me, Mama, please? Whatever it will take to treat her, I will pay.
I will try my best.
Okay, Mama.
I will do everything.
Okay, Mama.
I will do my best.
Mama, please try.
I love Tapanam.
Please try. This is 20,000 naira. Get everything you need to treat her. Please, I'll back later. Please, I'll be back.
Okay. I love Tapam. Why I love Tapam? Huh?
Shantel, I spent the night with you in this house. I did everything you wanted me to do, but I'm still yet to hear anything about my woman. Where is she?
Calm down, okay? I didn't promise you I was going to tell you where she is. But it's good she's not here to disrupt our love. I didn't know that you were this sweet and strong down there.
What are you even talking about? Listen, the only reason I let this happen was because you promised me that you would let her go. I don't want to believe that I've been played by you.
Hey, just relax. I didn't play you. Don't worry, my love. I'll bring your woman to you. But you know what? This relationship is far from being over. I own you now. Sweet boy. To feel him again.
Oh my god, what an outing. Jeez, I really had fun, babe. Didn't you?
Tried it.
I know, right?
Thank you for finding me worthy of being your boyfriend.
Babe, I love you and I'm proud of you today and forever.
Thank you for making this easier for me.
I know, right? Come here.
Babe.
Oh my god.
Please, will you do me the honor of being my wife?
Baby, yes, I will. I will be your wife. Oh, baby! Oh my god! Oh. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Stand. Bring your head up. Take this. My girl, you are with a child. Is your husband away?
Desmond.
I can't really hear you. Eh? But don't worry, you will get well soon. And my son will soon be here.
Mama, how is she? Any improvement?
Yes, there is improvement. Just that she's pregnant. Do you know she's pregnant?
Mama, I don't know about that, like I told you. I just met her lifeless on the way and decided to rescue her. I don't know about that. Mama. Oh, this money. I hope this money will be enough till I come back again. Because this time, I'll be gone for a long period this time.
My son,
Mama.
This one you are disappearing and appearing with big money. I hope it's a good job.
Mama, there is no problem. There's no problem. Like I told you, I do go to offload goods for clients in the warehouse. When she recovers, give her this phone. I left an insurance in the phone for her. I'll be going now. I'll see you again. Take care of yourself, Mama.
What is all this?
What are you doing here? Listen, I want you to get this clear and straight. There is nothing between us since you didn't fulfill your word. You hear me? You hear me?
I tried my best, okay? I searched for her everywhere, but I couldn't find her. Just maybe she doesn't want to have anything to do with you again.
You're a pathetic liar. My Kaima will never leave me. Never! Listen, you need to leave this place now because I'm never sleeping with you again. Just go!
I swear you didn't enjoy it. Anyways, I'm really sorry, Ansem. But you can't do anything about it. We're already in town.
You're a liar! My Desmond will never, ever be yours.
Okay? What really happened? What really happened? Are you okay?
What are you doing here? Is this really you?
You wanted me dead. You kidnapped and tortured me and left me for dead.
What?
Well, I guess you're ready to rot in jail. Because guess what? You'll be spending a long time in prison.
Wait, you kidnapped my woman?
See? This evidence was left for me by the good Samaritan who saved my life. Look at it. Look at that.
You kidnapped my woman. You tortured her. Oh my God, I swear you're just the worst kind of person ever. I'm calling the police because you're rotting in jail.
Oh, no, my love, there's no need. You see, I went to the police straight up and I brought them here so that I can get you to take me to her house. But thank God she's here. Officer! Oh, that's her. Arrest
Please just shut your mouth, okay? I am Shantel, and nobody can arrest me. My mom is a senator in this country, you get that? You can't arrest me.
With this evidence?
Madam, you are under arrest. I would advise you to remain silent. Anything you say now will be used against you in the court of law. Politely follow the authorization now.
What do you want?
You may have your set to play. This way.
Officer, please take her away!
What is that shot, please?
Don't touch me!
I'm sorry that I slept with her. Trust me, it was not my intention, but I was just desperate to know your whereabouts. I had no choice. Please, just forgive me. I promise you I don't have feelings for her or anything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for betraying our love.
It's okay. I don't hold it against you. I understand and I forgive you completely.
Thank you. I'm glad that she's going to jail now, at least where she belongs.
Obi, there is something I have to tell you.
What is it? I hope those bastards didn't touch you inappropriately because I will kill them, I swear. I don't even mind going to jail. What did they do?
Obi, please don't ever go to jail. Who's still me? But to answer your question, no, nobody touched me. But I am pregnant. I'm 3 months gone.
What? Wait, you're serious?
I am.
You're serious?
I am.
Hey! I'm going to be daddy!
I'm going to be daddy. Hey, go.
Mayo.
Tom, thank you for making me a fulfilled man. You know what? I'm going to sell my shop this weekend so I can pay your buy price.
No, good to come on. We are not selling the shop. Oh, we'll find a way.
It's okay. To think that I thought I had lost you. But God brought you back to me with bonus. He brought you back to me with Jara. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you.